The magic of which, bridging conversations with clauses. Hello, English learners. Today we're delving into a fascinating aspect of conversational English. Using the word which in relative clauses, specifically to connect clauses. It's a great tool to make your sentences more fluent and your conversation more engaging. You'll find that which can be a bridge, connecting different ideas in your speech or writing. Let's start at the beginning. A relative clause is a type of dependent clause that contains a verb and a word, or words, that modifies a noun from the main sentence. The word which is often used in relative clauses to refer to a whole situation or a sentence that comes before it. Here's an example. I forgot my umbrella, which was unfortunate. In this case, which was unfortunate, is the relative clause. Which refers to the situation of forgetting the umbrella. Now, let's look at how which is used to connect clauses. This use of which can add extra information or express an opinion about something you've just said. This helps make your sentences more complex and your conversation more interesting. For instance, she won the lottery, which surprised everyone. In this example, which surprised everyone is connected to the clause before it. Which refers to the whole situation, she won the lottery, and adds extra information, it surprised everyone. It's important to remember that which should refer to the clause or situation directly before it. If it's too far removed, it can confuse the listener or reader. Here's an incorrect example. She moved to France. She loves cheese, which is why. In this case, which is why should refer directly to the love of cheese, not moving to France. Instead, you should say, she loves cheese, which is why she moved to France. And there we have it. By using which in relative clauses, you can connect ideas, add extra information, and express your opinions more fluidly. Remember to keep which close to the clause it refers to, and you'll be mastering conversational English in no time. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.